Hello friends, welcome in Own Teacher channel, Class 7th English, Chapter number 1.6, in a class of their own. In this video we will see part 1, Workshop and Language Study. Before starting the workshop, if you are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe and touch the bell icon to get the notification of new video. या चॅनलवरती इयत्ता 5वी पासून ते 10वी पर्यंतचे सर्व शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओज आपणास पाहाव्या मिळतील. So let's start. Question 1. Read aloud the two conversation in this part. या ठिकाणी दोघांमध्ये झालेला संवाद आपण पाहूया between Mrs. Desai and her students. Student, are you angry with us, madam? Mrs. Desai, no, not at all. Sushmita, but you don't feel proud of us anymore? Mrs. Desai, no, Sushmita, you are my student and I will always want to be proud of you. Come on, now let us go back to our studies. Take out your notebooks. Between Asmita and Snehal. आता अस्मिता आणि स्नेहल यांच्यामध्ये झालेला संवाद आपण पाहूया. Snehal, did you notice what Desai ma'am said? Asmita, she said, I will always want to be proud of you. She didn't say, I am proud of you. Asmita, what do you expect? Asmita, so many of us fail. So many missed the test. How do you expect her to be proud of us? Question 2. Say whether the following sentences are right or wrong. Correct the wrong ones and write them down. चुकीची वाक्य पुन्हा आपण बरोबर करूया. A. There are both boys and girls in the class. The sentence is correct. Right. B. They never quarrel. This sentence is wrong and the correct sentence is they have fight and quarrel sometimes. C. Their teachers never shout at them. This sentence is wrong. So the correct sentence is their teacher always shout at them. D. There was no unity among the students in the class. This sentence is also wrong. So the correct sentence is there was total unity among the students in the class. E. Sushmita spoke to the teacher in a low, soft voice. Yes, this is correct. F. Asmita is telling us their story. No, this sentence is wrong. Some other student is telling the story. Question 3. Discuss the following questions. A. Why does Mrs. Desai class like her? Mrs. Desai likes her class because of the unity among the students. According to her, unity is a very important quality which should be maintained throughout. B. Should Mrs. Desai have been angry or unhappy? I think Mrs. Desai should have been unhappy over the students' performance. There was no point in getting angry with the students as she knew her student well. She was sad and not angry with the poor performance of the class in the test. Question 4. Use the information to make meaningful sentences using the following adverbs. Always. I always do my work on time. regularly. I exercise regularly. Sometimes. Sometimes I watch horror movie. Never. I never lie to my mother. Question 5. Write the following words in the appropriate places to complete the following table. या ठिकाणी टेबल पाहूया आपण. I, myself. You, yourself. We, ourselves. You, yourselves. He, himself. It, itself. She, herself. They, themselves. Question 6. Say the alphabet from A to Z. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. Divide them into groups of rhyming letters. For example, Q, U, W are rhyming letters that end with U sound. Did you find a rhyming letters for each of the 26 letters? या ठिकाणी आपण rhyming letters पाहूया ज्याचा साऊंड हा सारखा असेल. B, C, D, E, G, P, T, V याचा शेवटचा साऊंड E असा आहे. J, K याचा साऊंड शेवटी A असा आहे. L, M, N, F, H, S सुरुवातीला A असा साऊंड याचा आहे. Q, U, W याचा शेवटी U असा साऊंड आहे प्रश्नात सांगितल्याप्रमाणे. Now let's start the language study. Common noun 2. आपण कॉमन नाउन पाहत आहोत. त्यात 1 हा टाइप आपण पाहिला आहे. आता टाइप नंबर 2 आपण पाहूया. Some nouns stand for groups of things or people. Such nouns are called collective nouns. Example: class, a class of 60 girls and boys. People, a herd of cattle, a flock of birds, a team of players, a set of cards, list of names. Note that collective noun also have singular and plural forms. Example: class, classes, herd, herds, flock, flocks. या ठिकाणी आपण काउंटेबल नाउन्स यापूर्वी पाहिले होते. आता आपण कलेक्टिव्ह नाउन्स पाहत आहोत. कलेक्टिव्ह नाउन्स यामध्ये ग्रुप असतो, वस्तूचा किंवा लोकांचा समुच्चय यालाच असे म्हणता येईल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल क्लास म्हणजे वर्ग. या ठिकाणी मुले आणि मुली हे एकत्रित असतात आणि संख्या ही जास्त प्रमाणात असते. त्याचप्रमाणे पीपल, अ हर्ड ऑफ कॅटल प्राण्यांचा घोळका. त्याचप्रमाणे अ फ्लॉक ऑफ बर्ड, अ टीम ऑफ प्लेयर्स. टीम असे म्हटल्यानंतर त्यामध्ये प्लेयर्स म्हणजे अनेक ही संख्या येते. एकूण कलेक्टिव्ह नाउन्स म्हणजे समुच्चयवाचक. या ठिकाणी परत कलेक्टिव्ह नाउन्सचे देखील सिंग्युलर आणि प्लुरल असे 2 फॉर्म आहेत. जसे क्लास, क्लासेस, हर्ड, हर्ड्स, फ्लॉक, फ्लॉक्स या पद्धतीने. मेक अ कलेक्शन ऑफ कलेक्टिव्ह नाउन्स. Class, people, a herd of cattle, a flock of bird, a team of players, a set of cards, list of names, the poor, furniture, family group, swarm, armada, army, police, bunch, gang, heap, collection, staff, committee, union, nature, etiquette, pack, stock, hair, panel, jury, flora and fauna, stationery, etc. So friends, thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like and share the video.